So today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today's Sunday, and usually I don't work on a Sunday. It's one of the days of the week where I take the entire day to relax, to enjoy the time with my family and do nothing. But a friend of mine who owns a U-Haul spot wants to move a shed from one location to the next. So I'm going to go help him out, and we're going to see how that goes. What's going on over here? Here's the ambulance lights blazing. I don't see any accident or any car or anything, but they're hanging out over here. So he said it's a small shed and it measures about 8 by 12 feet. So it's not too big. It should be able to fit perfectly on the truck. So, I mean, I've moved a few sheds before. Each shed brings new challenges. I think it's about 15 minutes from my house. So I'm heading down there, and we're gonna see what we're working with. We're gonna see what's the best possible way to load it up on the truck. And hopefully it goes well and we're able to load it up and offload it off the truck easily. So Let's see. So I was kind of bored in the house because, like I said, it's Sunday and it's my only day off throughout the week. And I'm gonna go help a friend out and keep me a little busy. So, challenge accepted. I'm not sure if this is only in the Northeast Pennsylvania. So, like you guys just saw, the ambulance went flying by. And I've always wondered, why do people do it like this? So, for example, I'm driving southbound, and the ambulance is also going southbound. So we're supposed to pull over to the side or move as close to the side as possible to let the ambulance go by, which is what you're supposed to do. But the issue I have is the northbound traffic. These people completely just stop in the middle of the road, or certainly just pull over to the side of the road and stop completely when the ambulance is going down the opposite way. And if you're not paying attention, because they just certainly stop in the middle of the road, you can easily run into the back of them. So I've always wondered, why do the northbound people certainly stop when the ambulance is going southbound? I could understand, okay, fine. They're going southbound, you're going northbound, and you slowly pull to the side, but continue going at the same speed. But not just stopping in the middle of the road or pulling quickly to the side and just stopping with traffic moving behind you. You know, I'm not sure if this is the only place here in Pennsylvania that does it. If you guys have the same issue where you are, I mean, you know, you can leave some comments in the comment section. But I just never understood that. All right, so this is the shed we're going to be taking out. It's not too big. It's a little tall. It's probably maybe about 10 feet, 11 feet. We're not going that far. It's only about 15, 20 minutes up the road. But it's not too bad. It's a small shed. It could fit perfectly on the truck, and it shouldn't be hard to just pull up right there. So nothing much hanging out. It's just a few little wires around the corner. All right, we got the shed up. We got a couple of straps on the bottom to prevent it from moving around. But so far, so good. I think we're okay. Like I said, we're only going up about 15 minutes up the road. And we'll probably try to do a little below the speed limit, which is like 35 miles an hour. So I think we should be fine.